Alright, I'm calling this an unboxing, but I went to Walmart, got a MONGOOSE Session adult helmet, and I figured out how to work it. There's a strap there, all the way at the end, and then you play games with this side to adjust it as it goes under your chin to get it just right. I learned this popped out of nowhere, so I have no idea where it came from, but then I figured out, hey, it gave me an extra one. Where it came from, gift from God. I have no clue. We'll tape that to the refrigerator in case this thing breaks. Alright, I have these shears, and I cut out the name, but there it is. With the bonus magnetic sheath, I stick it to the refrigerator, and this is supposedly an amazing scissor. Don't have the name. Look at that, amazing. But that's why I initially bought it. If you want to make a post to what it is, feel free. Bought these a year or two ago, and it's got everything. It comes apart. Saw. Actually, that's a blade. I could sharpen that. Ooh, we could do a video on sharpening that. Right now, it's really dull. Let's see if we can sharpen that and get it to cut paper. Oops, wrong way. Amazing pair of scissors, but that's why I bought them. 10 functions in one tool. All right. And this right here, I took and I expanded it as much as I could, and yes, it does. It fits my enormous head. I now have a crash bucket. I can start riding my skateboard and my Razor skateboard and my Razor E325 scooter and not worry about dying and going to heaven. I was very impressed with this, and it was $25 plus tax. And then the other feature I thought that was pretty cool, it comes up and down, up and down. But when we're using it, we're going to use it in the down feature. It'll protect my face in case I fall on my face. So, thank you Walmart. Thank you Google. Love it.